Alright, we're going to try a 2018 Score Jumbo Box. This is Score Hobby. So you get 10 packs, 40 cards per pack. Tons of base cards, but there are some cool parallels that are numbered. Low end inserts, and I think you get 4 autographs. There are no team logos, I don't think, on the rookies, because the product dropped. It actually, on the back of the packs, it kind of shows when the quality control most of the time. April of 2018, so right before the draft. But there are a ton of base rookies. It's just kind of a product that's up my alley. Some value, and then there's still a chance you hit something pretty nice. So, Score Hobby. I'm not gonna spend a ton of time on the base here. Here, I'll show you guys like 10 or 20 of these, but there's a Tyreek. Cards look nice. It's just classic Score. So like the first, what is that, 20 cards, 25, are just base. Pretty big base set too. So here's a Score card of Maurice Hurst. These are the low end inserts I was talking about. And then you get some rookies. So Rashad Penny, Logan Woodside, Denzel Ward. There's a Calvin Ridley. It's about 10 rookies a pack too. I'm trying to figure out how big the base set is for the rookies. I think it's 100. So you almost get probably the base set in rookies, and I don't know, probably almost the veteran base set too. It's just like, it's so time consuming to sort all the base in the sets and such. Sometimes you're better off just donating the base if you're not going to keep it. Here's a gold. Agbonia Okoronkwo. That's the 50. It's got some nice shine going on there too. I'll make a stack for the recap. So Izzo, Michael Gallup. There's a Rosen. St. Brown. Got something blue. I'm just gonna skip through the base. A cool Kareem Hunt card. Just get to the meat. There's a blue Lamar Miller. That's artist proof to 35. We'll put that in the recap stack. These are kind of cool. Josh Rosen. Draft insert. There's a Baker. And these are kind of deceptive if you're looking to slab some of the top rookies. I mean, you would think it's white and there wouldn't be any problems. When you take a closer look at them, there's just kind of soft corners or like little dings that are kind of hard to see. Here's an auto. It's flipped backwards. Dante Jackson. It's gold to 10. Nice. Dante Jackson. I don't like that first down on there. I don't know. I'm just being a baby. Randall Cobb. There's a Sutton. I guess we'll flip these around so they're not upside down. Ronnie Harrison. I think he's having a pretty good season. I think it's 4 autographs. It might be 3. I don't know. Here's a gold. DeMarcus Lawrence to 50. Nick Chubb, Anthony Miller, 2 solid rookies. It's kind of cool having them in the college uniform. Base. DJ Moore, nice one. That's cool. He's kind of my pick to click for the 2018 rookie receivers. There's a Josh Allen base. Christian Kirk. Flip. Justin Jackson auto. Sony Michel. There's a Darnold. Gesicki. There's a Saquon. So there'll be some slab cans out of this stuff. And skunked Alan Lazard. But the first two autos were great. The last two were pretty shaky. There's a Baker draft insert. That's a slab can. Bradley Chubb. Kerryon Johnson. He's on pace for a 1,000-yard season as a rookie. That's good. Especially in this day and age of the NFL, where it's so easy to pass. Because you can't play defense anymore. Everything's a flag. Back in my day. Now they used to let them play a little bit more. Scorecard. There's a cool Rokon draft insert. Derwin James. DJ Moore base. Roquan Smith. So, fun product. Base. Eli Gold to 50. That's got nice shine on it going on. And then rounding out the rookies here. Okay, let's do a box recap. I used to do these a lot more, but I'll start them up again. To 50, Eli. We got Allen Lazard auto, Justin Jackson base auto, DJ Moore base auto, gold zone or gold, DeMarcus Lawrence to 50. First down auto to 10 of Dante Jackson, Lamar Miller to 35, and to 50, Agbonia Okoronkwo. That's it. Pretty good box of score right there.